Hi guys! Good morning! So, may work pala ako ngayon. It's 6:45. So, yung work ko is 7. And then, alam nyo guys, 3 hours ang tulog ko kasi yung mga bata, mga 12 or 1 na sila natulog that time kasi nga nakanap sila and you know, that's okay. Pag hindi sila nakanap, nakakatulog naman sila ng maaga. So, look at the sunset guys. Ang ganda, look! Kanina lang pala ako dito, mga 6:30 ako nakaabot dito sa labas, pero nagpa-park lang ako kasi nagwi-wait ako hanggang mag 6:55 para makapunta na tayo doon sa loob. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much sa mga nag-congratulate sa akin about my job. Salamat, it's a good experience naman para sa akin. For 2 weeks ko na nag-work talaga doon. So okay naman yung mga friend ko. So wala yung problema guys. So thank you pala sa mga nanonood and yeah, see you later na lang guys. Bye bye. Hi. Guys, naka-out na ako. You too, thanks. Ang customer, nakita ko sa labas. Naka-out na pala ako guys. And babalik ako sa loob kasi bibili ako ng sandwich for the kids. So, ang dami ko ikwento sa inyo, promise. So, ito yung workplace ko, guys. Ayan. Perdihan ako sa mga meat. Ito sa sandwich, hindi ko alam paano. Ayan yung So, ang daming meat. So, kailangan ko i-memorize. Ako sa manager namin. Naghanap ako para sa schedule ko next week. Saan? No! Go, Waylon, go!
Dada!
Go, Waylon! Good job! What's that? Kani. Unsa man na ay di man na pakalitok ay pero kakuha naman na siya express naman na siya sa iyang giingon. Yeah, wash your hands. My 2-year-old baby boy, 2 years old yan. Now let's go.
Yay!
Ang giingon?
Laka, mommy.
Oh, thank you, baby. Unsa man giingon si Waylon what? Waylon can sleep in your bedroom.
Yes, to sleep in my bedroom and how to sleep, and I'm gonna tell you in a minute, and then come sleep in your bed and turn on make a mess.
Thank you. You don't want Waylon to be here for now because mommy is cleaning and you don't want mommy's room
Dirty.
Aww. Thank you, baby. Thank you for helping mommy.
Welcome.
Then mubantay day ka ni Waylon.
Yes, and how to sleep and to come and sleep in your bed and do not make a mess.
Thank you.
In your bed. Welcome.
Bantay ka niya?
Yes.
Aww, salamat na.
And you put tin more and more.
Akong lipstick na guba.
Oh.
Kay gihilabtan ni Waylon.
And I'm gonna say that and I'm gonna say that and I'm gonna buy you a lipstick.
Thank you.
And I have a car.
I have a car.
Yes. Why is Dayton buy the brown car? And then,
No, we don't have a brown car.
how about
That's the white and black car.
and a black car? No, black
car.
black car and
Black car is mine. The white one is
for
for you.
Daddy.
Yes.
And the black one if no. Okay.
And then we bought you a new car seat. Are you happy for your new
What?
car seat? Your car seat in the car.
I can find
The other one?
glad and I don't like this house and it's no more bad. and the grass.
Na may grass sa likod.
It's not.
There's a big playground there.
It's not.
You just don't want to go outside because it's so cold and you just want to play games. That's why. Right?
I don't want to go in the snow and play.
Why?
It's so cold there.
Then why you get mad if it's cold?
Because
Huh?
it's so cold. Didn't turn me eyes and me head and me eyes.
Oh, that's why?
And I can see. And my black eye is coming thin.
Nada kay black eye.
Yeah,
Ano naman kay black eye?
It's not hot. It's going.
Why you have black eye?
And I can see. It's nothing. It's not getting hurt. It's not getting hurt now.
Okay, let me tell me why you have black eye, man. Because why? Ering nagakos.
it's alien by me. And
Ngano naman kay black eye kay? Sige og games.
Game.
Ya makuha no.
And watch YouTube and I was in 5 YouTube and 5 game I'm playing.
Wow, that's a lot.
And then I have a black eye. And 5 minutes I'm playing 5 game and 5 YouTube I'm watching and I have a black eye.
Really?
5 minutes and I have a black eye.
When you wake, pag mata nimo when you wake up, ni black imong eye diri.
Yes.
Unya.
Oh yeah.
Nawala ra.
Yes, wala now.
Nawala na no. Sakit?
No, it's not. It's not. I didn't see you. I didn't see.
Wala naman.
And well, why you always watching TikTok and
Unsa pa man?
and 5 TikTok you have and you can watch.
Because I have TikTok.
And why you want to turn a black eye like me? No?
Hala, ma-black eye po dahil ko ani. Kung magsige ko watch og TikTok.
Yes.
Hala nga na, dahil na Wesley.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I don't wanna watch TikTok anymore.
Okay.
You too.
Yeah, I can have a black eye. In 5 minutes, you have a black eye.
Oh my god, it's so scary.
Yes.
Can you show me dance? Your dance moves?
Then,
Ay, can you sing na lang? Okay, can you sing? Please.
okay.
Okay, can you sing please?
Back down. Number what?
Oh.
I don't know how this.
Okay. You can say it. Like
Number back down. Number what? Number gear like that.
yes.
And sing.
Oh.
Okay. Number back down. Number what? Number gear down.
Ah. Good job. Yeah. Hey, how about the game start?
Okay. Game start. I put it. Kiss the break. Goosey.
Oh, that's so cool, Wesley. Uy. Unya, ang kato din kuan, katong, ansa ganito? Ansa ganito mong kanta isa gani?
When.
Okay, sige.
When come again, another day. Say, little children want to play. When go away.
Good job! Look! Oh my god, you're so big now. I'm so excited na mag-school na ka.
And turn a brother like
And
Liam.
then, yes, and then you can meet new friends. Then you can play in your room, and then you can play at your school.
And then auntie go in, and auntie sleep in the top and my bed. And like Liam.
You're a big boy naman.
Like this. Come. Like.
I bought you pajamas. I bought you new one. A Christmas pajama. Galing pala kami sa Walmart, guys. Bumili ako ng pajama nila. This one.
What?
And I bought you shoes. I know.
Crocs?
Yes. The same Crocs they have. The same Crocs. Crocs.
No.
Ano sabi? You like this one?
Yeah.
Bumili ako nito guys para sa mga bata.
Mom, this
Kay
is
Isabella,
not fit.
kay
This is not fit.
William.
Mommy. This is not fit.
Really?
Look.
Kay Isabella, ka William, ka Wesley, at saka Waylon.
I wanna wear it. I
Hold
know.
on.
I wanna look at it.
I'm just gonna make sure. So if it's not gonna fit on you, you can just
Return it.
return it. Come on. Ang cute, oh. Okay lang sa akin na wala. Oh my God, it's not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit.
Pag 10 years old, gani ni. Oh my goodness, William, you're so big. 10 years old na size, hindi mo.
Mom, you even need to buy me Crocs. I want blue Crocs.
That one, di ay.
No, they do not fit.
William, di. Malaking bata talaga si William, guys. Kasi yung mga damit na ano, binili-bili ko sa kanya, dapat rob.
Look, Mommy, they do not fit.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Buti na lang, hindi ko to
Return
yun.
it,
Pwede ko
Mommy.
ma-return.
Mommy, can you return it?
Yes, I will.
And return these. Mommy, return these and buy blue of them. Buy blue.
This one, William, this is for Bella. It's size 12.
Mommy?
This
Bells?
one. Yeah, this is for Ate Bella.
Wait, what size is it?
It's 12.
12.
Let's see if it fits on you. Come on. Pero siguro pag ano, pag
I wanna wear like a gaming pajamas.
this one, ano ba?
It's tight. It's tight.
Years old na nga yan, ha? Hindi, dyan maigo.
I
Have to
wear my
return
gaming
this one.
pajamas.
Okay, William. Any pajamas that you can wear?
Huh? Yeah.
Any, okay. Hindi, maigo. Sa uli ko na lang to guys. Hindi man makasya sa kanila. But for sure, yung ka Wesley at saka Waylon, makasya to kasi mga pitit kasi sila. Ang cute pa naman ang design. Gusto ko yung design niya. Dito ka Bella at saka ka William. Dito ka Waylon at saka ka Wesley boy. So, kailangan tong isa ulo. Bumili ako ng damit ko guys. Para ano. Pero, every time na bibili talaga akong damit, sale. On sale talaga yan. Yan. Nabili ko to for $8. Ang cute niya. And ito is for $6. Bumaya talaga ako kasi yung ano ko, yung size ko nito is extra small. For hindi yan magkasya. Ang payat-payat ko na. Ito is $6 na lang. From $12 to $6. Ito is 16 from 6 ito is $8 from $17. So, ang laki ng na-sale ko. Hindi ako nagbibili ng full price kasi mas unahin ko yung mga bata. Mabibili ako ng damit ko pero mga on sale yan.
The next morning.
Hi guys! Good afternoon. So, mag-work pala ako ngayon. Yung duty time ko is 1 to 6 p.m. So, 5 hours lang yung work natin. And, yeah, I'm ready na. My outfit. And I got this one from Walmart. Ano na siya, sinale siya ng 11. And then, pang teens kasi ito siya. So, binili ko. And then, kasya naman siya sa akin. So, lesson learned. Doon na tayo binili sa pang teens na size para mas makaano tayo. Makatipid. Did you see my belt? Guys?
No. No. What?
Where did I put it? Forgot where is my belt.
Mommy, are you going to work?
Yes. Hi everyone.
Hello.
Saan pala yung belt ko? Nakalimutan ko lagi ay. Nakita ko na yung belt. Uubos akong pants. And then, kailangan din talaga mag-belt siya. Alam niyo guys, bumaya talaga ako kasi yung pants ko, mababa siya. Tapos, like, luwag na. Before una kong sinuot, sakto lang. And then, yung t-shirt ko, guys, before is small. Ngayon, extra small na. Sa uli ko sana yung extra small. Kaso, nakasya naman sa akin, so hindi ko na lang isa uli. So, yes, guys, let's go na. Punta na tayong. Bye guys. Have fun. Kanina guys, maglabas ko lang guys ice. Yeah, ngayon mainit siya pero malamig yung hangin. Para tayong nasa nito ay. Hi guys! Nasa bahay na ako. So, you know what? It's funny. Kasi, sa trabaho ko ba, palagi ako napapagkamala na bata talaga. Alam nyo, parang tatlo na sila. Or like, 3-4. Basta marami-rami na sila. Sinabihan pa nga ako na para daw akong 18 years old. Then, yung isang customer, sabi niya din sa akin, para daw akong high schooler. Kasi, that time nagtanong siya sa akin, nag-aaral pa ba daw ako? Sabi ko, hindi na ako nag-aaral kasi may mga kids na ako and I'm 27 years old. Tapos sabi niya, akala ko nag-eskwela pa ka, akala ko nag-ano pa ka, pumapasok ka pa sa school kasi para kang bata. I don't know if I look young sa sa workplace ko kasi yun din yung mga sinasabi ng workmates ko. Hindi nga sila nag-ano na may anak ako kasi akala nila bata pa ako. Akala nila like 18, mga 18, 19 like that. I said no. Hindi na ako 18. But you know, I'll take it as a compliment kasi napapagkamalan tayo ng bata. Kahit hindi natin sinasadya kasi I feel like I look matured. Pero siguro kung sa work, kasi ginaganyan ko yung buhok ko, mga ganun, hipos akong buhok and nag-ano talaga ako ba sa mukha ko, like mag lipstick, mag blush on. And yeah, para akong bata. Siguro kasi yung yung height ko dito is putot jud ko, like hindi talaga ako matangkad. Pero sa Pinas, matangkad ako kasi yung height ko is 5'3". So, sa Pinas, matangkad. Pero dito, putot jud ko guys. Kasi ang tatangkad nila. So, siguro, ganun. I don't know. Wala lang, na-share ko lang sa inyo kasi natatawa nga lang ako kasi hindi lang isang tao yung nagsabi sa akin. Marami din sila. And, you know, I like to go to work kasi excuse me, yung mga workmate ko din talaga is mga mababait. Kasi pag every time na kanang I need help, na ano ako, like, anong tawag dyan, oy? Sila talaga, tumutulong talaga sila sa akin. Hindi din sila stricto. Hindi din sila nag-ano sa akin, nag-strict. Kung alam nila na I need help. Kasi, pag ako, feeling ko na alam ko yung meat, saan, kung asa dapit, hindi na ako magtatanong. Pero kung hindi ako sure sa meat, doon na ako magtatanong. So, nandun naman palagi sila, back up ko talaga. And then, about sa slicer, alam ko na mag-slice, and yun nga, nung Sabado, grabe, alam nyo ba na ako lang mag-isa from, diba, maaga yung pasok ko that time. So, ako lang yung mag-isa, tapos, ang daming customer that time, promise, ang dami talang customer. Tapos, meron din namang customer kasi na, like, mga strict bitaw. And then, of course, bago ka pa lang, hindi mo talaga kabisado yung mga meat at saka cheese. So, para kung, ewan ko talaga, ang dali ko lang talaga umiyak ay. Kasi there's one or two customer. Yung isa, parang strict siya. Tapos ako naman, matatakot ako ba? Baka mapagalitan ako ng manager. Kulbaan jud ko guys, like, kinakabahan talaga ako. Alam niyo yung luha ko na nandito lang. Tinatry ko talaga hindi siya tumulo sa harapan ng customer kasi para kung tanga, kung iyak ako ng ganun lang. Siguro kinakabahan ako kasi ako lang isa, na pressure ako kasi madaming tao nag-aantay. Yun yung na-feeling ko that time. And then sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh my gosh, I know I can do it. And you know, nalampasan ko din naman yun. Kahit maraming tao. Yun nga lang, that time nalumo talaga yung luha ko. Nandito na yung luha ko. Tulo na. Sabi ko, hindi talaga ako iyak to. Pumunta ako doon sa malaking ref namin. Doon ako. Ganun ako sa mukha ko. Kaya akong umiyak. Natawa nga ako sa sarili ko pagkatapos. Sabi ko, ay ganun pala yun. Pag may like work, tapos na busy ka. And then, you know, Pinoy tayo. So, hindi tayo magpapatalo, no? Ayun na nga. Para lang akong sa sarili ko, ay ganito pala. And it's my first job dito. So para akong na-overwhelm. At the same time, nahiya or matakot na baka mapagalitan. Yun yung na-feel ko. Pero okay naman guys. Wala naman problema. So yun lang guys. Na-share ko lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.